Hi, my name is Walisa Ruffin, and today I'm going to talk to you about the history of Microsoft Office. When it comes to office automation, the first thing that usually comes to mind is Microsoft Office. After all, who can imagine a world without a local copy of Word, Excel, or PowerPoint on their computer? The future may hold the key to cloud-based apps, but for now, a pretty large chunk of Microsoft users are still dependent on this highly efficient client, server, and services software. The evolution of automation is tied to the evolution of Microsoft Office, as the latter remained and stays ahead in offering the latest features that enhance and support the functions required by the ever-changing needs of companies, organizations, and businesses of all sizes worldwide. Bill Gates was the first to announce MS Office on August 1, 1988 at Comdex in Las Vegas. Initially a marketing term for an office suite, which is just another name for a bundled set of productivity applications, the first version of Office contained Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft quickly gained on the competition. Businesses liked the idea of having their primary workstation apps come from a single software company, which hinted at greater integration between critical applications. It also helped that Office was friendlier to the growing number of mouse-centric PC users of the early 1990s. The clickability factor made it more appealing than other programs such as WordPerfect, which were often heavily keyboard-driven. To minimize video time, I've generated this table in the slide which depicts the evolution of Microsoft Office from its beginnings in the early 90s up until now, and I'll briefly go over them in the following slides. In 1990, Microsoft is introduced to the world. Hello world! In August 1995, the naming convention was changed to match the version numbers of each application software in Office Suite, meaning i.e. Office 1995, Office 2000, etc. In 1996, the introduction of the Office Assistant was born. In November 2003, Windows XP completely blends and presents the icons and toolbars with the same look as the OS. Office 2007 introduced the ribbon interface to assist in producing professional-looking documents. Yay! We are finally introduced to web apps in 2010. 365 came on the scene in mid-2011. This version of Office completely optimized features for our mobile devices and touchscreens in 2016. And now we have arrived at the current version of Microsoft Office, which was released in the spring of 2019. It includes the same features as 2016, but this version improved inking features, Litrex's support in Word, and new animation features in PowerPoint. Today, Microsoft Office is reported to have more than 1 billion users worldwide. Office is available through retail, traditional volume licensing for businesses, and as software as a service, or SaaS, in the form of Office 365. Microsoft Office, famous for its standards, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint applications, is now 29 years old. Oh my God. After 29 years on the market, the world's most popular productivity suite looks like it's just getting started, with no signs of slowing down, as it continues to progress in its evolution and technological software dominance on the world stage. So in conclusion, I discussed the history of Microsoft Office. I explained its evolution by providing a list of its version upgrades throughout the years, and I also expressed how it continues to remain a dominant mainstay in the technology industry world today. This concludes my presentation. I hope you leave feeling well informed, and I thank you for your time.